Can you mount the impressive Nikon 100 to 600 mm lens onto the Nikon Z50 camera body? The Nikon 180 to 600 mm lens is an mount lens, originally designed for Nikon's DSLR cameras. The Nikon Z50, like all Nikon Z cameras, uses this mount system. To make this connection possible, you will need a Nikon FTZ or FTZ2 adapter. This adapter acts as the crucial bridge between the mount and this mount, ensuring full functionality. With the correct FTZ adapter, the Nikon 180 to 600 mm lens can indeed be used on your Nikon Z50. However, consider the significant size and weight of the lens in relation to the Z50's more compact form factor. The Nikon Z50 is an APS-C camera. When you attach a full-frame lens such as the 180 to 600 mm to an APS-C sensor, a crop factor comes into play, typically around 15 times for Nikon. This means your 180 to 600 mm lens will effectively behave like a 270 to 900 mm lens on the Z50, giving you even greater reach for telephoto photography. So, while the combination requires an adapter, it offers the exciting possibility of extended telephoto reach, making the Z50 a more powerful tool for capturing distant subjects.